Hey, what's going on? In this quick video, I'm going to show you a review about this remote control multifunction home warm air dryer that will help you to easily you can use it anything you want inside this laundry machine that will help you now. Right now you will see 72% off discount. Check out my video description link to get instant discount which will help you. The best part is they already share a video. If you check out this video, you will see a details idea that how this warm air dryer home laundry machine that will easily help you with confidence. And I'm going to show you the real customer opinion because real customer know the real information that will help you and give you the best opportunities and experience because you will use a product for a long time. That's why if you learn from the real customer reviews it will help you. If you check out right now you will see 5000 plus sold, 4.7 rating, 1200 reviews. Click these reviews, you will see right now 966 people already give for 5-star rating, 100 people give 4-star. Let me show you the real customer photos and reviews. These persons give 5-star rating and share 4 photos that using this dryer machine you can see like this way. Another person give 5-star and great packaging and share 4 beautiful photo like this way. If you check out view more you will see these persons also give 5-star rating and share photos. You can see another person share 5-star rating. This person's using it and you can see using it and give a 5-star rating, sharing the remote control photos. So it's will be great for you. Most of the people are happy with their purchase. You can check out the bad reviews also to see what are the problem, but most of the people are happy, satisfied. That's why lots of people buy. 5000 plus sold, you can see 4.7 rating, and right now 72% off discount with confident. The best part is check out all of these others product that will also help you, and remember to check out the real people's reviews which will help you to make a right decision. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Enjoy 72% off discount with confident. See you again in another new video.